When you ask an AI for output, the format matters as much as the words. Markdown is a simple way to get readable, well-structured results that are perfect for documentation, reports, and anything that gets rendered in a web interface. The building blocks are easy to remember. Headers use the hash symbol, 1 for H1, 2 for H2, 3 for H3. Lists are either dashes for bullets or numbers for ordered steps. You make text bold or italic with asterisks, show code with backticks or fenced blocks, and create links with bracket and parenthesis syntax. There are even tables made from pipes and columns. Once you know these elements, you can ask for exactly the structure you want instead of a wall of plain text. The key to getting clean Markdown is telling the model exactly which elements to use and where. Look at this prompt for a CLI Quick Start Guide. Instead of just saying write a guide, it spells out the format. Use H2 headers for the main sections. Use code blocks for the commands. Use bullet lists for requirements and numbered lists for steps. Then it lists the 4 sections it actually wants: prerequisites, installation, basic usage, and common commands. Notice how the formatting instructions and the content outline are separate. That combination gives the AI a clear template to fill in, so the output comes back consistent and properly structured every time, instead of you having to clean it up afterward. Lists come in 3 flavors, and choosing the right one signals meaning. Use bullet lists when order does not matter, like unordered items, features or benefits, requirements or options. Use numbered lists when sequence does matter, for things like sequential steps, rankings, prioritized items, or processes. If a reader could do the items in any order, bullets are fine. If step 2 depends on step 1, number them. You can also nest lists to show hierarchy. Start with a main point, indent a couple of spaces for sub-points, and indent again for a finer detail underneath. Nesting keeps related ideas grouped together so the structure mirrors how the information actually fits. Tables are the best choice when you are comparing things across the same set of attributes. Here is a prompt that asks the AI to compare 3 programming languages in a Markdown table. It names the columns up front: language, best for, learning curve, and job market. It names the 3 languages to include Python, JavaScript, and Go. And it adds a useful constraint: keep each cell to 1 to 3 words so the table stays scannable. It even shows the exact pipe and dash skeleton it wants filled in. Giving the model the column headers and an empty table shape removes ambiguity, so you get a tidy grid. Instead of paragraphs, you would have to reorganize yourself. You can also control the style of the Markdown itself, not just the content. For depth, you might say keep it clean with H2 headers only and no H3, or go detailed with H2 for sections, H3 for subsections, and H4 for details. You can set restrictions too, like no horizontal rules, no HTML tags, or use ATX headers with hash marks rather than the underlined style. And you can dictate how links appear: inline links with text and URL together, reference links collected at the bottom, or a rule that URLs are always hyperlinked and never pasted raw in the body. These small instructions keep output consistent across a whole document or project. The real power comes from combining these formats in one document. This feature comparison prompt does exactly that. It asks for a paragraph product overview, then a feature metrics table using check marks, then a detailed section with bulleted performance points and a numbered security ranking, and finally a recommendation as a block quote. Headers, tables, bullets, numbers, bold text, and a quote, all working together to make a professional, readable document ready for any platform. Now it is your turn. Try this prompt yourself right now. You can run it in the interactive prompt playground on this lesson page at FreeAcademy.ai, or paste it straight into an AI assistant like ChatGPT or Claude and see the structured markdown come back.